What is a digital product agency? It is a company's partner in the creation of digital products. It provides full guidance from product discovery to launch, strive for innovation in the company, and try to figure out which is the best way of adding value to users. In digital product agencies, people from different backgrounds work together to bring the product to life. Usually, product teams are made up of some or all of these roles: UX/UI designers, software developers, QA engineers, marketers, product managers, project managers, and more. The team collaborates to create the right product in the best possible way. The product team will plan a strategy and roadmap, considering the user and business needs. This way, they will build a product usually working under agile methodologies. If you're interested in learning more about digital product agencies, download our ebook, Choosing the Right Digital Product Agency. Thanks for watching.